Today we're gonna bring a portable neck fan. If you guys can see it, these things are flexible, and this has a weight because the batteries are all built in here. Of course, there's a Type C connection. You charge it into it. There's a power button and an LED light indicator of how many battery sources you have, how many battery life you have, pretty much. So you could crank it up by holding down the button. So you could just click the button on, and it turns on. And if you click again, it goes to second mode, third mode, four more. So four modes, if you guys can see it. And all the fans, they're pretty much circulating. And the front of it, the back of it is the label, right? This is where it's sucking all the air in, and this is where it's actually blowing the air out. So you can set this up on yourself. Very quiet, keeps you cool, lasts you for many hours. You could use it indoors, outdoors. You're going to be walking, taking walks, or you're going to be riding a bike. You could be driving, but I won't recommend you driving because it does blind you a little bit because of the wind. But if you turn your actual air down to the bottom to yourself, you could keep your body cool without actually attacking the actual air, attacking your eyes or anything like that. So very simple, easy, flexible. You can move them to your ears, like near your ears. That's if you're sweating a lot, put them in different directions. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.